Updates for Pro Evolution Soccer Inno PES JK Patch 2023 AIO Season 2022-2023 for Pro Evolution Soccer 2013. New features. Create PES JK Patch 2023 AIO v3 for new user. Create PES JK Patch 2023 Update v3 for v2 user. Create installer version, Inno Setup style, and RAR version. Create new recovery setup with new EXE. Updated AFF Mitsubishi Electric Cup 2022 squad, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand. New winter transfer updates, February 1, 2023. Lots of new faces and updated kits. Lots of new youngsters and wonderkid. New body setting by Aluel Facemaker. New Warrix Bersatu AFF Mitsubishi Electric Cup 2022 ball by Pilong project. New banners features for lots of national teams, different banners each teams. New EXE with Become a Legend League and Cup logo fixed. New other Asia team, Al Nassr FC. New league selection format with separate modes optimized for Master League and Become a Legend. Simplified and new information placed in description of league mode. When playing Master League mode, we League/Second Division will become D2 League. When playing Become a Legend mode, this Wii League slot will become JK League instead, main league mode, so it will be more relatable. Added new 2022 FIFA World Cup stadiums, Al Bayt Stadium. Added new 2022 FIFA Club World Cup stadiums, Prince Moulay Abdullah Stadium. Added new iconic stadiums, Bukit Jalil National Stadium, Red Bull Arena, La Bombonera, Estadio Azteca, Cairo International Stadium, Olympia Stadion Berlin. Added start screen option in Themes tab and custom start screen option. And many features. Click link on description to get the file.